A tech-savvy rider implemented new technology to modify his 2015 GL 1800 Honda Goldwing. That Goldwing later became known as Black Flash, an extreme lighting show bike. What's going on, YouTube? This is Carnell on Super Bowl day. I had to get me a ride in before the game started. Hope everybody doing all right. Hope your team win, whoever you're going for. I'm just gonna sit back and have a couple of drinks and just enjoy the game. Getting out early today, I'm watching a couple motorcycle riders get out and ride, and came across one of my coworkers. He wasn't riding his bike, and so I had to ask him. I said, "Hey man, what's going on? What's the deal?" He had a nice little VTX 1300. Notice the word I said had. Man, somebody, why he parked his bike one night and went inside the house. Somebody went out and popped the lock on his steering and pulled off with his bike, man. And the sad part about it, the police, when they showed up, they went on and wrote him up a report, because they said, "Hey man, sorry, we ain't gonna be able to find your bike, because we've been getting a lot of thefts on motorcycles. And what they doing is, once they pop the lock on them, they stripping them down and sending them to different locations. So the bike is gone." I know that was one sad day for him to hear the police tell him that. But I always thought it was the your sports type of bike that they was out to get, because they so easy interchangeable. Once you pop the locks on them, and everybody looking for parts for those type of bikes and stuff. I didn't know they was actually moving up to bigger bikes like a VTX 1300. I know the day I come home and I see my Goldwing missing, I'll probably have a heart attack. So I know he wasn't feeling too good after he got the news from the police. But you know, man, stuff like that doesn't even surprise me anymore. I don't know what this world coming to, man, but it's just ridiculous. You get out and work your butt off trying to get all the nice stuff that you want, and somebody else come along and snatch it away from you, man. So it's one sad day for him. And these is the reason why I keep my cameras on when I'm riding. Man, people have no respect for the motorcycle riders. They pull out in front of you, and then on top of that, when they pull out in front of you, they take their sweet time. They don't realize these bikes get up from 0 to 40, 50 miles per hour, twice the speed as a car, or faster than a car, and they just keep jumping out in front of you. Everybody that pull up beside me wants to race. I guess somebody been watching my videos. I know the police been watching my videos too. So now when I pull off at the light, I just take my sweet little time, throw my legs up. Cause I know one of these damn cars is gonna be a freaking undercover just waiting on me to pull off. Not gonna happen. You got to be smarter than that. And the sad part about it is I don't even be racing my wing. You know, I got a Goldwing racing category. I started working on my YouTube page, and I created a racing Goldwing section. And I don't think I actually intentionally tried to ever race my Goldwing. It's just that I have a bad takeoff. Once I'm at the light, I'm gone. So whoever beside me might think I'm racing them, but you know, I can't help what the next man think. It's just too bad. I gotta run into Walgreens, man. So let me go through my little motions of getting the bike on. This is what I gotta go through every time I'm in a public area. I gotta go through and open up the trunk, pull the guns out the side. Make sure the bike locked up, grab the phone, and turn off my radar detector. I'm surprised ain't nobody stole that joker yet. Well, hey, YouTube, that's my spiel for the day. I'm finna go in here and buy some medication. Y'all have a good Super Bowl weekend. And don't forget, this Saturday, hey, meet me on the live community Motorlock channel. You guys have a wonderful Super Bowl. That's my spiel for the day, YouTube. Y'all have a good one.